Once you have set up your Shopify free trial, you will want to select a plan. You can either do this by logging onto your Shopify account, and it may have an alert here, and you select a plan, or you can go into settings and then plan. So if I then click on choose plan, I have the different plan options available. Now, because this is a new account, it's £3, it's £1 each for each of the first 3 months. The main difference with different Shopify levels is the amount you'll have to pay for your transaction fees. And as you pay more, you'll pay a lower transaction fee rate. Other differences include the number of staff members you have, the level of reporting you get, and some additional functionality, particularly to do with shipping and international sales. So once you have chose a plan, it'll take you through to whether you want to pay monthly or yearly. You have to add your business details, and you'll also need to add your payment details and then click subscribe.